You horseman. Your time. I'm a horseman. We have the birds of the birds on them, and no ordinary and maybe near to them. Your horseman want me. Yeah. And for manners marketing, your timers bang. Your time I will do to the max part time. Your time I pay. You pay. You time big. Oh, a very matching. Pero wala tayong magawa sa kanya. I will do the talk. To talk about you. I'm so sorry. Ito, remainners now. Time. Hindi ito ang oras para magpaway-away tayo. At lalong-lalo na hindi ito ang panahon para pag-uno natin lahat ng mga ano natin. Ikaw ang problema. Bakit? I want to listen? Ha? Pinipilit mo ipaano sarili mo. Your time hours, man. And you. The money laundering is not the break. It's not a big horse speed. Your time of 40 mil per day. And time. We have hours. Personally, hindi ko na masabi. Ang pagkuplano, nakahanda na ang lahat, pati ang entablado, hinanda ko na rin. Good. Ano ko naman sa inyo, makakasahan ko kayo pagdating sa mga kanto. Oo naman, talaga namang makakasahan mo kami. Simulan na natin ang laro. Just come and find the game.